When it comes to reliable heating and cooling solutions in Lakeville, MN, Boldt HVAC stands out as the trusted name for comfort and efficiency. Whether you need a new installation, routine maintenance, or emergency repairs, our team of experienced technicians is here to ensure your home stays comfortable all year long. As a proud part of the Lakeville, Minnesota 55044 community, Boldt HVAC is committed to delivering high-quality HVAC services with a personal touch. Whether you need a new HVAC system, repair services, or regular maintenance, we're here to ensure your home stays comfortable year-round. Why choose Boldt HVAC? Expertise you can trust. With years of experience in the HVAC industry, Boldt HVAC provides the expertise you need to keep your heating and cooling systems running at peak performance. From furnace installations to air conditioner repairs, our team handles it all. Customized solutions. Every home and business is different, and we tailor our services to meet the specific needs of each client. Whether you're looking for a more energy-efficient system or need emergency repairs, we provide solutions that are built to last. Fast and reliable service. We understand the importance of a properly functioning HVAC system, especially during extreme weather. That's why our team is dedicated to offering prompt and dependable service when you need it most. Comprehensive maintenance plans. Regular maintenance is key to extending the lifespan of your HVAC system and preventing costly breakdowns. Boldt HVAC offers maintenance plans designed to keep your equipment running smoothly throughout the year. Ready to experience the best HVAC services in Lakeville? Contact Boldt HVAC today to schedule an appointment or get a free estimate. Our service locations cover Apple Valley, Savage, Bloomington, Eagan, Rosemount, Richfield, Prior Lake, Lakeville, Edina, Mendota Heights, Farmington, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Hopkins, Inver Grove Heights, MN. You'll find us conveniently located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337, United States. Call us now at 651-300-3050. Visit our website at www.bobhvac.com/burnsville-hvac/